When you try to open the Data Domain Web UI after an DD operating system upgrade and facing a 404 error, here's how to fix this. The main cause of this error may be that the root certificate authority, which is not expired, is no longer in a trusted state. This prevents the PowerProtect DD System Manager from loading or successfully log in. To resolve this issue, you need to regenerate the root CA of all data domains listed in the logs, showing error connecting to remote host, mutual trust may have to be re-established between. Log into the data domain system via SSH. Check if there is a self-signed certificate or a CA using the command adminaccess certificate show imported -host application HTTPS. If there is an external signed certificate, you need to regenerate a new certificate signing request. For more information on this, refer to the Dell Knowledge Base article 21466 and 198864. If your data domain is a highly available system and the CA certificate is expired, please engage Dell technical support before continuing. Regenerate a new HTTPS and CA certificate using the command adminaccess certificate generate self-signed-cert regenerate -CA. Once the CA is regenerated, you must re-establish any trust required. You need to run the following commands for any data domains or data domain management centers that need trust. You will need the sysadmin password of the data domains you delete and add trust for. Use the command adminaccess trust del host followed by the host name, type mutual to delete the old trust. Then use the command adminaccess trust add host followed by the host name, type mutual to add the new trust. Now you need to restart the UI services. First, run the command adminaccess disable HTTPS, then adminaccess enable HTTPS. Note, if you are using a DDOS before version 8.3, you also need to disable and enable HTTP using the adminaccess disable and adminaccess enable commands followed by HTTP. The user interface should now be accessible again. For detailed information, please refer to the Dell Knowledge Base article 349145. Thank you for watching.